SoFi update for the 23rd. So, kind of just stuck in this range right here. It appears to me that we bottomed right here and we started the first wave right here. And right now, as far as I can see, we're in a second wave. It looks like a second wave triangle to me. So we have ABC, ABC, ABC. So if I was going to label this, I would do A. This is on the 1 hour chart. You can actually look it up on the 4 hour chart and see it as well. But A, B, C, and then D is either done or it's going to come up higher than this. I'm not sure yet. We'll see tomorrow. But let's just say this is D right now. It's going to be somewhere in this area. So if this is A, B, C, maybe up here, or it's done already on a lower time frame. It was A, B, C. Whoops, it's got to be D. No, this is D. Okay, so we have A, B, C, D, and then I would expect an E either tomorrow or maybe on Monday. Somewhere down in this area, maybe low 560s. And then if this plays out how it should, then we would get our third wave started after this. And this should be a pretty big wave, I think, because this is the third wave and we only got to 618 right here. And so if we're going to get to our target, we're going to need a big move here. And supposedly Biden is supposed to talk about student loans tomorrow. Maybe that will be what we're looking for, and we'll get that final push. It's very possible too that this was A, B, C, D, A, B, C down here. So maybe we get a sell-off and then we pop later in the day or early next week. But tomorrow is supposedly he's going to talk about student loans. We'll see if he actually keeps his promises on that. But I would look for a third wave somewhere around the 2.1 or 2.61 fib, maybe 750. If we do get a third wave, we're going to need a huge move coming out of that. And if he says something positive about student loans, maybe that will be the momentum we need, or the thing we need to get going, to get some momentum up here higher, because the market has bounced pretty good and we haven't really done anything yet. So if we get that move to 750, then we could pull back to low sevens and then maybe one more move higher in this range right here between 8 and like 820, maybe 850, something like that. That would play out perfectly with what we're seeing in the market and how far I think it's going to bounce. I put a video out on that yesterday. So not really that much going on today. I'm not really selling that many covered calls because I think it's kind of a trap. If you get bored and you sell covered calls here and then the stock pops, then you're going to be in trouble, probably taking a loss. Well, you could probably roll it and still be fine. But I also have some sold puts that I sold a while back. There's 650 puts for July 8th. Feel very comfortable about them. I think that those will be in the money here, hopefully in the next week or two. So we'll see. And then we have earnings coming up on the 11th of August too. So that makes it even more interesting because let's say we do move up here to $7.50 or $8 here in the next 2 or 3 weeks. And the market is, if it sells off before earnings, it'll be interesting to see what happens with SoFi. But I'm expecting the move to come soon. And then it could just be a long drawn out move too, though. We could get a move up here and then a fourth wave goes into mid-July and then a fifth wave up here into August. And then maybe it sells off a little bit into earnings or something like that. So, yeah, just to summarize, we're in a second wave right here, in my opinion, is what the chart is showing, a triangle pattern right here. And we should see a breakout either way within the next couple of days. And I would say I'm like 90% sure that we're going to see an upside move higher. So that's the update. Not much going on in the market this week, but thought I'd make a video anyway, so I will maybe make a video tomorrow, depending on if we hear anything about the student loans. But more than likely, they're going to probably just kill the $6 calls and kill the 550 puts for tomorrow since it's Friday. So I would say it's more likely we see the move on Monday of next week.